Presenting Marshall Kilburn II Bluetooth speaker that is wireless and portable. Powered by 36-watt power output, this speaker delivers loud multi-directional sound with a clear mid-range, deep bass and extended highs. The speaker comes with a portable design, allowing you to use it both indoors and outdoors. It is encased in vinyl and features a metal grille design. Kilburn II features carrying straps, flush-mounted corner caps and a water-resistant design that makes it rugged and durable for outdoor usage as well. The speaker offers up to 20+ hours of portable playtime on a single charge. It also has quick charging capability where 20 minutes of charge gives you 3 hours of playtime. It also comes with a visual battery indicator located on the top panel of the speaker to track your speaker's battery life. Kilburn II comes with Bluetooth 5.0 aptx technology for wireless music play with up to 30 feet range. It also comes with multi-host functionality, allowing you to connect and switch between two Bluetooth devices. The top panel features analog control knobs for bass, treble and volume. The speaker is available in black, grey and indigo color variants. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.